just in case you haven't heard the Joe Duffy interview, um, that should still be available online. I'll put in the link under this. But two things that they mentioned there. One was that they did mark basically on the curve. So what happened last year was a lot of people did very poorly in their mocks because they were just using the standard marking scheme. They were just kind of going, oh, you get 3 marks for getting this part right, 3 for that, and 1 for the last part. And what they saw was that loads of people only got, say, 20% or something. So what they did in the actual exam was say, okay, the people who, the bottom 10% of the class maybe failed, or the bottom 15% of the marks of the people failed. That didn't mean that they only got 15%. Again, I can't remember the interview just now, but I think they were saying that actually last year what they did was they made, yeah, basically 23% was the pass mark. So they graded on the curve is the main takeaway, that not having done that well in your mocks, or your mocks shouldn't be used as a direct measure of how you're going to be doing in the actual exam, because they are going to rescale things. So they will have it that, okay, you know, the top 20% are going to get an A. Now, it doesn't mean that they all got like 85% or 90%. It's going to be the percentage of where you did relative to everyone else. Another tip that they mentioned was attempt marks. So basically, they said that you should attempt basically everything, write a bit, because even just from attempt marks you can get a pretty good grade. So they were the two takeaways that I remember from the Joe Duffy interviews. So I just wanted to pass them on in case you hadn't heard that.